Right, we're outside in the wind.
We are. Welcome to another episode of What the Heck Is This? So,
What?
let's get through the intro and we will tell you all about it. So this is Davlar's A6. Say hi, Davlar. Thanks, mate.
Hello there.
So, and
Yes.
Davlar can't sell it, so he's going to give it to one of you. Honestly, it's like a raffle competition,
It's
isn't
like
it?
dream car giveaway.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same.
Except that it's the opposite. Nightmare car giveaway.
Look at it.
That's what this is.
She's a beaut. 243,000 miles.
6 months MOT.
6 months MOT.
What? Like, literally, mate.
Yeah.
Mint, what more do you want?
Power boot that doesn't go all the way. Look.
It works, what more?
Works, look. Wiper doesn't work.
Do you think you'll pass the MOT? It's got an MOT on it, isn't it?
It's got an MOT at the
Jordan to
moment.
do your lights for you.
So it's got, they always go there. Yep.
What a beast.
What have we got inside? Look. Lecky seats.
Mate, starts, runs.
on the button.
Yeah. What have we got here?
Check that one out.
Is it certificate of entitlement? Is it?
No,
What?
that's the new range. Look.
AB69 dab. That's amazing. How did that go down with the wife?
She doesn't know yet.
Doesn't she?
That's for the new car.
Brilliant.
So look, we've got all the bows.
So, top and bottom is, you
Yep.
got a new car, haven't you?
Yes.
What did you get?
I got a Golf R. Oh no, Sid's got the keys to the new car. We're not going to use launch control though, are we? I don't think they'd be impressed today.
Canal, it's like a filing cabinet in here now.
That's where I keep all my files, look.
Classic Euphoria. Blue Marlin. Mate, these CDs must have been around the world. What's this? For the days that you just want to end it all.
Now the trucks don't work.
That's what I'm having
The
a
verb.
melancholy day.
Matt, I'd love this. Mate, it's all right. It's a pretty baller spec, isn't it?
It's not a bad spec, but it has got several issues which we will probably discover during the test drive.
Let's go and have a little drivey drive then.
Go on then. Right. Oh. That's problem number one.
That's the first problem. Door latch doesn't work.
Doesn't work from the outside.
Brilliant. Oh. Does the air conditioning work?
It's got air conditioning, yes.
Problem number
Can I
two.
help this in?
So when did it have MOT last? 6 months ago.
Yeah.
This is a RE Performance fan's dream, this is.
Look at it. Look, smooth as you like.
Should we give it to Dark Side in like a 50 quid budget and see what they can do?
Do you know, I've had this so long, I was still working on magazines when I got this.
Yeah.
I did a shoot up at Dockside, and they went, oh no, you bought the one with the shit engine. If you got the newer one, we could have tuned that. So for
Right, will it accelerate?
Yep.
I think your centre prop bearing's gone. It stops, brakes good.
Brakes right.
Yep.
Yep.
Thanks very much.
Good. Oh.
Parking brake works as well.
Jesus.
That's what you do. Pull the parking brake on. Emergency brakes. Do you know that?
Yes,
Oh,
but I
right.
wasn't expecting it.
Oh, right, okay.
So I nearly ate the dash then.
Eat the dash. Lights work?
Yep.
What a beast.
Vanity mirror works. Mirrors work. This is a little bit loose.
Golden mirrors work.
Look, there's a
That's
slight,
right, that's the trim on the
slight
outside.
rattle there.
Heated mirrors.
We found another problem.
So your window doesn't work. Is that switch or? Ah,
The
right.
rears work.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah, your regulator's gone in that window, mate.
Regulator's gone. Yes.
It's gone all Warren G on the job.
I'm switching my mind back into freak mode.
Kind of like it.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
Have you got the vibration yet?
Yeah. That prop bearing's gone on there.
Yeah.
Right, so what's the warning light for then? Bulb and adaptive lights.
That's because so I think there's just a side light bulb and it's got the adaptive turny lights.
Yeah.
One has turned and doesn't move anymore.
Right, okay. So,
But
so your car's got a wonky eye.
It has got a lazy eye.
Damn, these things are fast.
but it's not an MOT failure.
Oh, nice. Auto lights.
Can you hear the squeakiness?
Oh, that's the locking wheel kit. Right, a fixture knocking noise.
No, but there's an actual squeak. You go down here slower, hit some bumps.
Oh, yeah.
Squeaky.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
You'll get it on that bump over there really well. Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
If the mic picked that up.
Honestly, sounds like a teenager's bed.
So we have squeaks, we have vibration, we have door that won't open from the outside, we have driver's window reg, but the fuel gauge just started working again.
Brilliant.
So that's all good.
Brilliant.
And there's just over half a tank in it as well.
Oh, Graham's here in his Gilfmobile.
GLF.
Oh, fucking window don't work, does it? Oh, God, it smells of diesel. Yeah. Anyone want to buy a car?
There's a slight discoloration of the bonnet area.
This is, how can Dav get rid of this car the easiest way possible?
I think we're past we buy any car.
Yeah. Dav doesn't want to have to pay to get rid of it, which is what will happen at We Buy Any Car. No, I think he's going to give it away to a willing...
Away?
Yeah.
How much to enter?
Well, we haven't decided yet, have we? What people might want to, what they might want to give in return, like a thing. 6 months.
6 months. Oakley dokley, friends. How many fault codes?
All of them.
How many fault codes?
55.
I'm going for 17.
What control units won't have an error?
What was that?
Coolant light, coolant warning.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think it might have a coolant leak.
Let's just come on.
That's because you just drove it, you see.
Yeah.
That's your fault.
How many has your Scirocco got?
144.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, bit of a difference, isn't it?
Do you know how far it is to the moon?
242.
280,000. So I'm not far off.
You've been to the moon. The bonnet needs a bit of paint, doesn't it?
Bonnet is very bad.
Right, so you've got loads of intermittent faults, some of them for glow plugs.
Yeah.
Then you've got your parking light, right parking light, which must be your indicator, airbags.
Oh, there's a recall on it. I've not done for the airbags.
No, I probably wouldn't. Fuel supply sender 2, intermittent. Motor for central lock-in, hatch trunk, open short to ground. Locking unit for central lock-in, which is your passenger door, which we knew about.
Yep.
So your passenger door lock's gone. Your driver window regulator's gone. Your dynamic cornering left motor is gone.
Yep.
Battery voltage.
Had a new battery about 2 months ago.
That's probably fixed up your battery problems then. All the parking sensors.
Very bad. The rear camera works.
So let's clear all them.
But it often stays on
back.
when you're driving along, which is fun.
And then when Tom's finished, we'll have a look underneath. You found what we need?
Something like that, though.
He's opened the bonnet. Now I'm a bit scared.
All right.
So genuinely then, what do you want to do? Do you want to fix any of this, or do you want to give it away like it is?
I don't know.
Or are you giving it away?
I want to let the viewers decide.
So what are we doing?
So I don't know where to even start.
Jet wash it, be fine.
Stinks a bit.
Facebook Marketplace, £1,000 all day long.
Do you reckon?
If I sell it for you,
Yeah. You can get a commission.
yeah?
Is there actually any in it? Hard to tell. Bit of lack appeal there.
Be a good taxi.
He's got taxi mileage.
Yeah.
Minicab!
Matt's already trying to sell it over
Have
there.
you got it on the gram?
Yeah.
Have you?
Not on my Instagram, on my, like,
My social lot.
Yeah.
What is this, a fucking gentleman's club? Come and get it.
come and get it, cash waiting.
Cash monies. Voltage for parking aid sensor. Supply voltage for parking aid sensor. Supply voltage. Right, so you've got a problem with the parking aid on rear. You got front as well?
What, parking
Front
sensor?
parking sensor.
Yeah, they don't work there.
Yeah, saying the voltage. You got no voltage supply. Battery regulations, a battery module gone down. Headlight range is the dynamic range motor. So what light's not working?
So both indicators are working.
Right, yeah, then if I do this,
Oh yeah, it's the side light on the near side, offside. No,
Rear wiper doesn't work. This door lock doesn't work. That window regulator's gone.
The door doesn't lock. Or no?
It doesn't unlock. You know, like what the
but
R8s do.
You can't open it from the outside. You have to open it from the inside. To
Oh,
let
my
the passenger
bollocks taking that airbox out, Dav. So that's airbox out.
in. It is, yeah. That's definitely not why I haven't changed it.
That's a Helford's job.
Yeah,
Helford's.
that's £12 well spent.
Helford's, please do it. Please help.
I reckon I put it up on my Instagram and I'll get it sold tonight.
Go on then.
Yeah?
Get on your Instagram. Are you done?
It's got quite a bad vibration when you get up to about 40, 50.
Oh, it's fine.
And you hear a big squeak when you turn it on from the steering.
Oh, that's fine.
Go on.
If it goes forwards and backwards,
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Right, you listen to the squeaky squeaky. Turn the wheels. Okay. He's like, delete post. It's on KW coilovers as well.
Is it?
That's why it sits so low.
Yeah, you
You have a look in a minute.
that window works really well.
Yeah, that's a safety feature.
Let's get some nice breeze going.
So, and you say it's on KWs?
It's on KW comfort thingy.
No way.
Yeah.
You've got binding caliper, it doesn't want to go anywhere.
Nah,
Okay.
that's all right.
Oh, maybe she's right. It just makes a lot of noise.
Like, genuinely, like, without being, like, taking the piss,
Yeah.
someone would really, like, it would help them out, they would have it, you know?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, totally.
Have you seen how thick that brake pad is?
Is it thick?
Where is it? We can't see it.
Yeah,
It's
when you're
that.
paying pennies for a car, you know, you get what you're given.
And a Bluetooth brake pad.
When's the last time you done brakes? Never.
Ever done brakes?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Brake's done. Sometime.
Yeah, back in 2009.
I think the brake.
When's the last time I had oil and filter?
Yes. Yes.
It has. One careful lady owner. From you.
Are you ready for underneath?
Stop halfway, Dad, and we just check the wheels.
There's going to be some things missing underneath.
The problem is, right, is that Matt's going to shout at me because I'm looking at this going, oh, mate, we could bring this back. This would be a honey.
A proper torch.
A torch, and it's bright. And I cannot see.
Timmy!
Yeah! That's not binding.
No bindings. The tyres are that old, they haven't got a date code on them.
Don't give me that. Those tyres are quite new.
Where's the fucking DOT on it?
Those tyres are within like 3 years old. Oh.
This one's getting close.
On that.
Matt, can you see a DOT on that tyre?
Yeah. 0824.
Yeah, same as it.
Sounds a bit binding.
Lovely jubbly. Front disc got left. Whoa! She's bowling on KWs!
Yeah. He's telling me it's on KWs.
What a honey! What's Kirkland said?
He's got how much MOT it's got.
6 months. Jordan can polish the lights. Slight scuffings.
That's why I drove into my house.
Front disc. How's your house?
Very good.
You genuinely can't beat shit cars, can you? All right.
There's rust protection on the front.
Oh, shittings. That's all right. What more do you want? Yep.
Oil in the motor.
Oh, that might be the vibration.
I think so.
A little bit of play in the propping.
Still got another 100k.
Easy.
I think there's a couple of little leaks there as
CV
well.
joint gone. Front brake this. Anti-roll bars missing paint. Yeah. Some of the under tray is missing. And the arch line is missing. Craig, this car's right up your street, mate.
Well looked after. And the engine self-service.
Craig would disappear for a month and this would come back concourse. Yeah, there's just oil on it. I can't really say where from. There's just oil. All right, lovely jubbly. I am not taking that off at all. Not interested. Uno mementos. Make the fucking free clips that all the arch liner to the under tray are 30 quid, so.
No way.
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. It's probably fine.
Slight hole there.
Yeah. That's the service access hole.
This is for inspection.
Inspection servicing hole. Alternator is fine. Looks like your rocker cover's leaking.
Yeah.
I don't think your head gasket is leaking. But there is a leak.
There's a coolant leak somewhere.
Yeah. Well, I think the coolant is just washing off the oil. There's a leak there as well. And there's a leak there. And there's a leak there. So I'll just fix that then, shall I?
There's a little bit of damage here
Yeah.
where we've hit a thing.
Oh, yeah. Lovely jubbly.
A little bit of corrosion.
Right. Matt might be taking his 30% out of this gig.
50?
You're having 50% of it, are you?
What is that squeak?
Probably the damper. Or the bush. I think it's a bush. Yeah. Press it so it does the squeak. Top arm bushes. Pretty typical on a C6.
Yep.
Right.
So,
Other than that, good to go.
it needs rear brakes, it needs front brakes.
What would it actually fairly MOT on? What's he offered you?
50 quid.
Oh, right.
Right, the first offer's in, 50 quid.
So it's got to be more than 50 quid.
Right.
Auction, 50 pounds, 50 pounds, 50 pounds.
50 pound.
Bill of 80, bill of 90, bill of 90, bill of 90. 80 now, bill of 90, got 80 now, bill of 90, 80 bill of 90.
Yeah. Get that the f out of here.
Can we take it off-roading?
Hey?
Can we take it off-roading?
Do you know what? Where is Nath?
Actually,
Yeah.
Nate did say if you're getting rid of it to let him know. I completely forgot.
Here we go.
Then we can do Grittenham GP.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be
The
cool.
A4.
Dav's A6, 6 months MOT, a prime entry to Grittenham GP. 200 quid today is yours.
Sold.
Are we in?
Come and get it.
Nah, 500.
Hey?
It's sold already.
Nah, it's mates rates, isn't it?
Yeah, mates rates. Come and get it.
Alright, yeah, I don't know when I'll get it, but yeah, I'll have it.
No,
It's got to be
Matt's saying it's got to be today.
200 quid gone today.
Well, I don't have a trailer, so.
It's all right.
we can drive
We
it.
can drive it. It's road legal.
Yeah, for how long?
6 months. That's how MOTs work, mate.
Well, that's 6 minutes if I get hold of it.
Well, there we go. I want to see it airborne.
And we're going to film it.
Jump me. That's fine, I will jump it. I mean, I can jump it into a lake if you want.
It's got KWs on it, mate. If you strip the suspension off, it's probably worth more than what you fucking spend on buying a car.
I mean, yeah, I'll have it. I just can't get it today because dog. But yeah, 200 quid sold.
We'll save it here for you.
Yeah. He'll park it on the corner.
Up in storage.
Yeah.
Alright. And then what? We'll just bring it with GoPros and I'll show you how we get down.
La la.
La la.
Right.
So there we go. So we've gone from
50
We've
quid.
got 50 quid, we've got 200 quid. And so
Yeah.
You never know what comes in the office.
we've got to let Nate have it, haven't we?
I offered 50p.
You right? Yeah.
You bought me a sandwich earlier, so
did,
technically
maybe.
you now own the car.
£2.37.
Right.
Well spent.
Get it the fuck out of here then.
Right, Dav here. I'm just editing this video and we kind of left it a bit open. I was going to sell it to Nath. It'd be funny to give it to Nath. Should we let him have it? 200 quid? I kind of like to see him do something silly with it and maybe jump it, but then again, I'm not sure. Some other people have put a couple of offers in to buy the car as it stands as well, knowing that it needs some work doing to it. What do you guys think? I can't decide. The boys can't decide. Let us know in the comments. What should we do with this 243,000 mile Audi A6?